Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Interfaces in Java can be tricky, but we will find the false statement together in just a few seconds. Let's solve this coding puzzle.
First, remember that interfaces are blueprints for behavior, not state. They can define constants using static and final keywords, but they absolutely cannot declare any instance variables for an object.
Since option C claims that an interface can declare an instance variable, we know immediately that this statement is false. That makes choice C our correct answer for this specific question. Other options are true. Methods are public by default and classes implement interfaces easily. Choice C is the only lie, so we are done. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and check steps. Trust the given rules for Java interfaces.